Umshushisi woMbuso uyena ocele ukuthi Lihlehlehlele licala elibhekene nomacingwane wabalula izizathu zalokho.
Under the circumstances, the SABC is forced to bring an application for a postponement in this particular matter, as the main witness, Colonel Nama, is currently testifying in the High Court on a matter that is part heard, and he is the main witness that the state is to lead. Your Worship, in support of my application, I have an email from the Deputy Director of Public Prosecution confirming same, Your Worship.
Ummeli kaMacingwane uVusikhathi ukhale kakhulu ngokuhlehla kwaleli cala wathi uphakade akayizwa kahle le ndaba.
Even on the 2 occasions, the record will speak for itself. This matter has been marked finally on 2 occasions, and in both instances, the matter has been adjourned at the instance of the state. And it was solely the reason your ship that are partially on the state problem. And it is clear that for all this time the House of the State has not been in order.
Uvele wasukuma uNgizwenkosi Mchunu esebhoxini lofakazi wafuna ukuzikhulumela yena ngqo nenkosi yenkantolo wachiphiza izinyembezi ekhalela ukuthi lizindleko lelicala kuyena uma lokhu lihlehla kanje.
Now I have to go to full back. That next time I'm coming to court. For what? How many criminals that are out there? People were raped out there, my lord, by the illegal miners. Nobody is taking care of it. You're just arresting an honest man that has never been convicted.
Imanje ibe isinquma ukulihlehlisa lolu daba iluhlehlisela uZibandlela. uNgizwenkosi umlando wakwaMchunu wakhalelwa ngamasongo kaSigonyela ngoNtulikazi wanyakenye wasededelwa ngebhayili ezinkulungwane ezibili zamarandi enkantolo yemantshi iRandburg eGoli. Ubhekene namacala okushoshozela izibhelu zangoNtulikazi wanyakenye kanye nokwephula umthetho wezenhlekelele iDisaster Management Act owawungavumeli ukuhlangana kwabantu ngesikhathi seCovid-19. Usezophinda vele enkantolo ke ngoZibandlela. NginguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.